Hey guys, this is Matt with Atlas Precision Consulting. In this video, I'm going to show you guys what to do to create a new year in your database. This is obviously important when you're going into a new year, but you may find yourself like me, who is doing some testing and video recording in a Play database that does not have the current year set up. So the first thing you're going to do is you want to go to fiscal year maintenance. We're going to change our entry method to copy from previous year. This just makes it easier when to set your beginning and ending dates, and it just carries it straight over. So we're going to put our new year in here. We're going to click off of it. It's going to ask us what year we want to copy it from. Obviously, I'm going to copy it off from the previous year. You can see it pre-populates all of the dates that are required for our periods, and then it's just simply a matter of just hitting save. Now, once we have that, the next step, especially when you're talking about inventory and things like that, we're going to want to set up a new demand year maintenance. Okay, we're going to come into demand year maintenance. We're going to put in our new calendar year. We're going to change this to copy from previous year. We're going to put in last year. If we were going to run forecasting, obviously we check this, but right now we're just trying to set up the new year. So now you have both your fiscal year and your demand year set up either in your live system or your Play system like I'm doing here. So if you have any more comments or questions about this, you can put it down below, or if you want to see some different videos in the future, you can put that in the comments as well. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel and stay tuned because we're going to be doing a lot more of this, and we're always here if you need help. Thanks, guys.